Expected value is the secret sauce behind how investors and gamblers weigh risk versus reward. Let's see how the math works. At its core, expected value is just a weighted average of all possible outcomes. It represents what we expect to happen over time. Many beginners focus only on the odds, but expected value forces you to look at the magnitude of the win or loss. To calculate it, you list every outcome, assign a probability to each, and then multiply to find the long-term average. Investors look for positive expected value, where the math points to a profit. Negative expected value is essentially a slow leak of capital. As you can see, the more trials you run, the closer the result gets to the theoretical expected value. Law of large numbers in action. Remember, a positive expected value doesn't guarantee a win on the next trade, but it builds a foundation for long-term consistency. Understanding math helps you make better decisions. Subscribe to the channel for more finance basics and hit the bell for updates.